Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm with the lovely Georgia, and by the title you've probably seen the video, we're gonna go to the beach and I'm so excited for a nice beach day. So we're gonna like vlog it all for you guys. I can't wait. I haven't had like a beach day in ages and we've never had a beach day together.
No, never together.
So very excited. So yeah, and Georgia's gonna be driving all the way there. So
this is my first time in a YouTube video. I'm a bit nervous.
Yeah, well, I'll see you in a minute guys. Strawberry lemonade for me.
I'm mango and passion fruit cooler.
I can help.
Hi, could I get a mango and passion fruit cooler, please? Just a small one. Strawberry lemonade in a small.
Strawberry lemon as well. Is that small as well?
Yes, please.
No worries, right down.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
How much is my drink? £3.
I don't know. I'll get a receipt.
Yeah.
I've got a gum in, so I'll have to spit it out.
See you there.
Thank you. That's perfect. Cheers. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Very cute.
So happy. Got so good.
So what was it you got again?
So I got a mango and passion fruit cooler.
And I got a strawberry lemonade. Perfect summer. Ready for our beach day. Let's go.
I'm about to rejoin the motorway now, so it'll be strike.
Gonna be a strike. So we have just arrived. We just sorted out the parking. We're having a little bit of trouble with that, but we are nearly there. I don't know if you can see. The sea is like peeking through.
Walking through this cute little wooded
Yeah.
area.
Yeah. And there's the sea. Look how gorgeous. So excited. So we'll Georgia's carrying the umbrella in her bag. I've got the seats in the bag. I've actually never been to this beach before either. So looking forward to it. Right, I'm gonna take my shoes off now because as you can see they've got sand, and we've made camp. We've made our space. We're gonna get all the stuff set up now. Cute umbrella. And I left my phone in Georgia's car, so we're gonna have to. Georgia's gonna walk up. Yeah, you have to walk all the way up. Okay, get it again, but that's my fault. But look how cute! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So me and Georgia are going to be munching on some nice cucumber now. Thank you, Georgia. I've got this really cool hat on that completely gets the sun out of my face. It's good. It's nice because this beach isn't really busy.
There's like a few people here.
Yeah, only a couple. Because I hate it when beaches are really busy.
Can't find a space.
Yeah, and you can't find a space and stuff. So we're just going to be like tanning for a bit now.
Try to anyway. Probably
Yeah, try to. They're both so pale, we just burn. So we'll turn into a tomato by the end of tonight. So
update you.
Update you on the, not the tan, but the burn. were gonna like play music, but we've got like no service now, so George's trying to get service. Plus, oh my god, tell them the big news.
Oh, I'm moving out.
Literally, she's got her own place. Literally, like couple,
Literally
10
like
minutes away
10
from me.
minutes away.
So, I'm so excited. So she's trying to get service to show me what the house looks like.
Yeah.
So,
but I'm moving out.
moving out at 20.
9 days.
Everyone needs to be, what's the word? Needs to be inspired by
We
you.
need to do a little video of that as well. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, literally.
I've got so many ideas.
Yeah. So keep in touch, subscribe, so you don't miss any of these fun things that are happening in George's life, not mine.
No, you're allowed to. Actually, I've got another bedroom, so she can come and stay.
Oh yes. We're gonna take some more selfies now, so find somewhere to put you.
Gram.
Take some for the gram. Let's find a place. Be right back. What do you think of this hat, guys?
Okay, this is her.
And look at all that light coming in!
It's so cute.
Have you got a balcony?
It's like it, Juliet.
Oh, that's so nice.
And you can just open the doors and like let air in.
I literally love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited for you.
then-
I need it my own place like that.
So that's her.
Oh my god.
Ah, so excited.
That is a very cute house. I'm so excited. I love houses that got a lot of light coming in. That
Yeah.
one.
You can have a little
Brilliant.
book and
Very jealous, very jealous. I'm hoping that my life will be like that one day. We're ready, yeah?
No, I can't run. Sorry, I'm just gonna brave it. If I have
Georgia's trying to show us some of her gymnastics.
Ready?
Get it, Georgia! 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 Woo! Get it, Georgia! I can't do that. You do a little hand step. Oh!
Let's see if I can land it.
Okay.
No.
Oh! 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 Do you want me to help you?
No. So sandy.
Oh! That is so funny. You okay? Oh dear. So we're gonna be snacking now. So we've got some dried mango that I found I actually really like because I tried some. George let me try some, and George just got me some crisp, and I love a caramel wafer. And what have you got again?
I've got these little caramel bars.
Oh,
sorry.
Got these caramel things.
Please, and then
Cute.
I ate something earlier, but I can't remember.
Oh,
What do we eat in the car?
we just had the drink.
We had sliced cucumber.
Oh yeah, that was it, cucumber. And a
That
bit
was really good.
more of the dried mango because we did have some of that as well. Gotta eat this before it melts. Chocolate and
That's what I was
stuff.
worried about, it melting in my bag.
That's good. That's good job at eating it now.
Mhm.
And we have plans for like dinner. So once we're ready for dinner, so not really ready yet. Are you ready yet? For dinner? I'm not
No.
ready. No. What time is it actually?
5:30. Basically.
5:30. So when we're ready for dinner, we're gonna go find either like a fish and chip or something like that.
I have food at my house too.
Mm.
It depends what we fancy when we're hungry.
I miss summer so bad. I'm not a winter or autumn fan at all.
No, neither am I. Spring and summer, all the way.
Spring, summer, all the way for us. We're summer gals at heart.
I love this umbrella.
Thanks to my grandparents for letting me borrow this. This is the first time they've used it. Well, I guess, you know, it's the first time it's been used. So I'll have to tell them my thoughts when I get back. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my chocolate bar now. I'm gonna finish our chocolate. Alright, so we're going to do the outro now because all we're going to do is just pack all the stuff. We packed most of it now and then we're going to head back home. We're going to have dinner at George's instead.
Gonna make tuna pasta salad.
She is such a chef, I'll tell you that. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed Georgia being in it. It's the first time being on camera. So how does it feel? Did you enjoy it?
Nervous.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was good. It was good.
It was good. We had such a fun day as well, so
Yeah, it was real fun.
So thank you guys.
Have a good day, everyone.
And yeah, we'll see you soon. You'll see him soon. I'll see you next week. Bye guys. Bye.